Hello everyone, this is your friend Rahul from techblockcorner.com, and today in this video I'm going to guide you how you can withdraw the money from your Amazon affiliate account. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So you can see Amazon affiliate account of mine in front of you. So once you log into your account, then you have to just click on the top right corner and then click on account settings. Once you see the screen in front of you, just click on change payment method. And you will be able to see this screen in front of you. Now you have to select the country for which you want to withdraw the payment. If for example you are from India, then select your country as India, and then you have the option to directly deposit by a gift card, by a check, and by direct deposit. So I'm using to withdraw money from my US affiliate account of Amazon with the help of Pioneer. So you can see I have added the US First Century Bank as a virtual bank as a masking account with the help of Pioneer. And in Pioneer, I have already connected my original Indian bank account from which I'm going to get the money directly in my bank account. So how this is work is I'm just telling Amazon that this is my bank account which I have created in Pioneer, and Amazon is sending the money to the Pioneer bank account. Now Pioneer is transferring that money into my Indian bank account. Okay, and with this method, I don't have to pay extra money of conversion to the bank account that we have in India. Okay, so if you want to create your Pioneer account, then you just need to search on Google about Pioneer and then just click on this website pioneer.com, and then you have to just click on get started and just follow the procedure. I'm going to add the link in the bio as well so that it will be easy for you to create your account and find the website. Okay, so that's all about this website. I hope this video is helping you to understand how to get the money into your bank account from your Amazon affiliate. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and fellow bloggers. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.